Hi everybody, David Lewis here. You have got to be kidding me. This one is unbelievable. I literally just got off the phone with a dealer that I've spent the last 2 weeks with putting together a training program for his dealership. An agenda, topics. We worked together on the areas that he needed to focus on to get his sales and his grosses back in line. He just called me and told me that he needs to pass. He needs to put it on hold for right now. And here was the reason why. He felt that his salespeople, in his words, needed to have some skin in the game. So he decided that he was going to charge them $100 each out of their paycheck for this training. Well, obviously, they said no. What organization charges their people to train them, to make them better, so that the organization can make more money? This makes no logical sense. So now they're going to stay the course with the results they've been getting because this dealer does not want to invest. And we wonder why we're not making more money, we're not selling more cars, and we're having trouble attracting great people into our industry. Good luck, everyone.